Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration 2 ounces. Cannot say enough good things about this cream. It is so moisturizing and refreshing, and a little goes a long way, so it is a great value. Ultra Repair Cream is excellent for cracking skin due to winter dryness. The cream is not greasy and penetrates the skin nicely. Of course, others think that it isn't thick enough, but they would be comparing it to heavier weighted creams that have large percentages of ingredients like petrolatum. If your hands are dry, cracked or coarse, this is the perfect for you. It has some moisturizing properties like a lotion, but it also has some moisture sealing properties like an ointment. This is a great facial moisturizer for the winter time. The smell of the product is not the greatest, but after it is applied the smell goes away. Definitely recommend to those with very dry and sensitive skin. During the last few weeks my skin became really out of control. Face was lumpy and red and fingers very cracked and painful. My skin is no longer flaky, it's unscented, so it doesn't irritate my skin, and it no longer feels tight with dryness. This one worked fine but didn't seem to be any better for me than other creams costing a lot less. Though the rash has not yet disappeared until after chemo ends and a new cycle of skin grows, it has definitely improved. It is a little greasy, but since my skin is so dry, that is not an issue for me. Others may like it only as a night cream due to the greasiness. This product is amazing. My hands were so dry, now nice and soft even after washing my hands a few times a day. Most likely you'll have to deal with getting cream all over the place if you try to grab it by the edge and unseal it that way. It's fragrance-free, and although every fragrance-free product has some type of smell, it's not overwhelming or off-putting. In fact, it's barely noticeable. 2 months later you had to really look closely at my skin to see the damage, and every day it seems to be getting better. My skin is extraneally sensitive, and it has been trivial to find any sort of lotion or creme that relieves the red and itchy feeling. This was recommended to me being pregnant and having funny skin. As a result, it is very moisturizing and kind to skin that is sensitive. Love this product. It keeps me moist and soft without greasy, and helps with my skin not getting as irritating with small blemishes from skin cracks. It's helping my eczema spots, but should be applied a few times a day to really soften and prevent dryness. This is an amazing product. It works well for both my highly reactive dry skin and my daughter's combination breakout prone skin. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.